guys, I'm Faza. I'm back for such a very long time, and this is my third time recording a video, the same video for my YouTube. Why? Sebab I pergi delete my raw videos yang I edit, and then I tak nak tengok the video yang I edit. I tak nak save sebab this is my first time editing using iMovie. Alhamdulillah. So yeah, recording the same video for the third time. So let's just start. Jom.
Into rows, you're sinking in. You're sinking in my soul. Back to myself. Don't you lose control.
So for primer, I gonna this MAC prep+prime Natural Radiance. So after prepping using primer, I akan guna this L'Oreal foundation. I akan blend using this sponge that I've already masakkan. Pahitnya terasa bagai di penjara, tanpa bicara ku rela. You guys will never know how much effort I put to make the video, and I have to reshoot it again, and I edited it for 2 freaking hours. Tapi I kena reshoot balik. Okay, so concealer I gonna wet and wipe. Wet and wipe. So after concealer, I can set my face using this pupa powder, translucent powder. I use translucent powder sebab dia tak nak like my face tiba-tiba colour lain ke. I dah salah buat banyak. Why is this happening to me? It's okay, just blend. See? If you blend it properly, dia takkan dia okay je. Next, I will do my eyebrow. This is silkygirl high definition brow liner in dark brown 02. And then after I got my brows, I will conceal. Guna this flat brush. Guna this flat brush and using the same concealer that I used for my under eye or face. Okay, guna je yang sama so that you tak akan membazir beli banyak-banyak concealer. So after that, I akan guna the same concealer as my eye primer since I don't have any eye primer, so I just use concealer. I sacrificed my curi-curi cinta just to reshoot this video, the same kind of makeup tutorial. It's okay, it's for you guys too. So for the eyeshadow, I use Carya Cosmetics, the first version, I think so. So I'll show you which color I'm using. And then after that, I can apply eyeliner on my eye, just a small wing. So after eyeliner, I pakai this NYX Doll Eye Mascara. Before you apply this mascara, you have to kepit your bulu mata first, but I lost that kepit bulu mata, so I just apply it. And then for blusher, I guna Raya Cosmetics also. And then highlighter, I use MAC in code A36. I think so, A36, yeah. Yeah, it's the main makeup, you know, it's the main. See? My face is full of highlighter and I love that. I akan pakai lipstick. Mana lipstick?
A few moments later.
So for lipstick, I'm wearing this NYX Professional Suede matte lipstick. This is my favorite. The shade is very nice, and the shade is Free Spirit. See? So nice! I love this kind of nude color. It's like kind of nude, kind of natural. It's very nice. And yeah, lastly, I akan spray using this MAC prep+prime also setting spray. But I'm not going to show you guys that I spray this, but I takkan spray sebab I'm not going anywhere, so I akan membazirkan benda ni. So yeah. So yeah guys, that's all for this tutorial. And if you love this look, very simple, very natural, so you guys please try for your Raya. And do like, subscribe, comment, all positive things. Positive, okay? Positive. Please subscribe. Please. You tahu tak, 3 kali I record video, 3 kali lah I buat benda ni. Please subscribe. I'm trying to be more active on YouTube. I'm trying to make more videos. So if you guys want to see me uploading more videos, please subscribe. I won't disappoint you, I promise, inshallah. So yeah, bye bye. Oh yeah. Be positive and always smile. Bye. Assalamualaikum. So next, I will do my eyebrow. Pahitnya terasa bagai di penjara, tanpa bicara ku rela. Cinta akan ku mengasihimu, setiap nadiku tiada lagi berlagu. Andai rembulan tidak lagi mampu percaya,